Hey guys, we are still playing with the snow from yesterday, and I'm wondering if you really like my hair, because this is real life. Are you playing with the snow, or are you eating the snow? What's in your mouth?
No, it's mouth.
Oh, snow in your mouth? Yum. What's this? You like playing in your snow? What color are we making it now? First we were painting it blue, now what color? Do you remember?
Pretty blue. Now purple.
Yeah, now purple. Say purple.
Blue and purple.
Yeah, blue and purple. If you want to know more about our snow painting activity, you should probably watch Baby League on January 27th. Say hi, Kaya. Say boo.
Boo.
Uh-oh. You see it? Where is it? There it is. Show her how to do nice again. Show her how to do nice. Alright, we hope that you guys enjoyed our footage from Wegmans. I think these kids are super adorable and cute, and we're going to have a fun day tomorrow. Squirmy wormy! Are you a squirmy wormy? You go play? Alright, go play. Whee! Go get them. We're going to have a fun day tomorrow, and I hope that you guys come back and watch our day tomorrow by subscribing to our channel. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe, and we'll love you forever, just like we love all of our subscribers forever. And I hope that you guys have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.